Snow we got. It's below freezing. Covered this thing up though. Let's see. Since Sunday, it's been nothing but. Uh-oh. Maybe I can't get it open. Dang it. Hold on. Let's get in here. See how she does for almost a week now. Oh boy. I put that stuff, tarp there. Keep the snow off the windshield. Below freezing since Friday, and it's now Wednesday. See what we get for a cold how she does. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Hold on a minute, guys. Okay. Alright, here we go. Oh, that was a little tough. Okay. Oh, wow. Lights flickering a little bit. Let's turn the rear defrost on. Okay. Cool. Look at that back there. Frozen solid. Alright. 4,500 cold start time. We'll let it sit here for a little bit. Build up some oil pressure and all that.